To order from multiple restaurants on Uber Eats, start by locating the app on your device. If you haven't already, you can find it by searching for Uber Eats in the App Store. Once installed, open the Uber Eats app and navigate to the section where you can enter your delivery address. From there, you can begin shopping and browsing through various restaurants to find the ones you'd like to order from. While it's not possible to combine orders from multiple restaurants into a single order, you can place separate orders from different restaurants, which will likely arrive at the same time. This is the most convenient way to order from multiple restaurants using the Uber Eats platform. By placing multiple orders, you can enjoy food from various restaurants, all arriving simultaneously. This method allows you to explore a range of culinary options and have them delivered to your doorstep at the same time.